On September 9, 2025, the Delhi High Court began hearing a high-profile case over the estate of businessman Sunjay Kapur, reportedly worth Rs 30,000 crore. The dispute pits his children, actor Karisma Kapoor, and his mother Rani Kapur against his widow, Priya Kapur. Karisma Kapoor's children allege that their stepmother, Priya Kapur, concealed and possibly forged Sunjay Kapur's will. They say the will dated March 21, 2025 suddenly surfaced and was read hurriedly at the Taj Hotel in the presence of lawyers. The will was unregistered and excluded them from the inheritance. Sunjay Kapur's mother, Rani Kapur, claims she was left out of her son's estate entirely. She raised concerns over alleged irregularities in Sona Comstar shares worth about 500 crore. These shares, she alleges, were transferred to a Singapore-based entity without her consent. Rani also says assets worth nearly 10,000 crore rightfully belong to her. The Delhi High Court directed Priya Kapur to submit a complete list of all movable and immovable assets as of June 12, 2025. The court fixed strict timelines, written statements within 2 weeks, and rejoinders within 1 week. It also suggested confidentiality measures for sensitive financial documents. Priya Kapur's lawyer, Akhil Sibbal, denied the allegation of forgery. He told the court that the will was drafted in February 2025 and properly executed in March in the presence of witnesses. The children, represented by their mother Karisma Kapur as legal guardian, seek a rightful share of the estate. They also demand disclosure of all accounts and a permanent injunction against Priya Kapur. They allege she restricted their access to trust documents and financial assets. The court will revisit the matter in 2 weeks once statements and asset schedules are filed. Interim relief for children remains pending.
Today you were appearing for, in fact, the 2 children of Ms. Karisma Kapoor.
So the suit will be registered now, and they have to make certain discoveries about the assets, personal assets of Mr. Sunjay Kapur. And the matter is now fixed for 9th October.
So you said something about suspicious circumstances.
Well, see, I don't want to go into, that's going into merits. Okay. But what the order is, I can tell you. I can't tell you what the merits are. You see what our cases from our pleadings, don't you?
What will happen on the next date also?
Huh?
Yeah, what will happen on next date?
So nahi hogi matter ka?
Has been arraigned as a defendant in this petition?
That's right. She's been made a defendant number 3 in her capacity as a class 1 heir of Sunjay Kapur. So she's been made a defendant.
So earlier it was said that there is a foul play in reports related to the death of Sunjay Kapur. So what is the stand? Can you share the stand of
now that the matter, now that the matters are coming to court, it would not be appropriate for me to give any further comments specifically. But Mrs. Kapur has been quite unequivocal in what her stand has been, and it remains the same.
So in general, can we say that is she in favor of this petition or against this petition? In general view.
I let her file her response to this. See, this fight is really more between Karisma Kapoor and Priya Sachdeva. Whether there is a will or there is no will, etc. And of course, Mrs. Rani Kapur does get impacted by it, but she will, file a response and you'll know her stand.
So, as you are a counsel for one of the defendants of this family, so there is some allegation and rumors that there is a forged and fabricated will. So, is there any will of this kind?
We are not aware of it. But again, now that the matter is before court, one side is saying there is a will, another side is saying there is no will. I can tell you we don't know of any will. Mrs. Kapur is not, aware of any will. But again, now it's a dispute in court.
Some sides are also claiming that there was divorce settlement earlier before the Supreme Court, that was final. So her children has any right in the property according to that?
You will have to ask Mrs. Karisma Kapoor about her settlement with Sunjay Kapur and Priya Sachdeva. I cannot comment on that at all. It's really between the plaintiff and the defendant number 1 on that one.